Hey friends, it's Matthew at Mr. Domestic to share with you this easy, no-sew, fleece, fringy pillow that's absolutely kid-friendly. Like, even my kid could make this. She helped me with this. I did this intentionally for a project because I want to have some more kid-friendly projects. So this is a family-friendly, no experience. You don't need your sewing machine. All you need are 2 squares of fringe, a pillow insert, some snips, and an hour or 2 to devote to making as many pillows as you want for your friends and family. Even my 7.5-year-old daughter, Helena, said this was her favorite pillow she's ever done. And part of it might be because she helped me with it, but then she also legit sleeps on it and adores it. So Helena approved for sure. So if you're interested in learning how to make this, stick with me. Make sure to subscribe, thumbs up, leave a comment telling me how awesome this video was, and share with your friends, and then come have fun with me as we make this pillow. So I centered a 16-inch pillow insert on the 24 by 24 inch square. As you can see, it's 4 inches that I now need to trim so that they can tie together and create a no-sew pillow. So I folded it in half just for ease of cutting, and I've drawn a line 1/4 inch on the inside of the raw edge. I'll do the final one here. And then once this is drawn, I'm going to hand cut 1-inch increment strips around the entire edge, and then I'll be able to tie them together. So now I am going to open it up, and it's already wrong sides together how I cut it. So I just make sure that the wrong sides are on the inside, right side on the outside. Now I'm going to take 2 strips, one from each piece of fabric that were cut at the same time, and tie those in a knot. And I'm going to go around most of the perimeter here. So I've left a little opening right here where I haven't tied them yet, but I tied all the way around 3, and then a little bit on this corner, a little bit on this corner, just so it's easier to line up the corners when I enter it. Okay, and I'm putting the corners where they belong, corners where they belong, corners where they belong. Oh my goodness, this is way cute. This is way cute, y'all. And then now, once I get it all matched, I'm going to finish tying up the rest. And now y'all can make this no-sew, easy peasy, fleece, fringe-tastic pillow where all you need are 2 squares of fleece, a pillow insert, and some fun. And you can have a pillow party any day, anytime, any year that you want to. So, if you enjoyed this, thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment. If you plan on making it, let me know. Check out all the details in the description below, and make sure to check out michaels.com for this awesome fabric. They've definitely upped their fabric game, and all of y'all need to check it out. So, on that note, keep it positive, keep it safe, and Mr. Domestic out.